Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Children, what did you learn in your last class? Yes, modal verbs. The modal verbs are used to indicate ability, permission, suggestions, etc. Children, which are the modal verbs that we learned in our last class? Yes, may, can, should, must. These are the modal verbs that we learned in our last class. So children, I hope the topic was clear for you. So today we are going to study a very interesting story. Okay, the name of this lesson is Little Benjamin. That is the first chapter from Tale 1b. Okay children, all of you should take your textbook and get ready.
Little Benjamin. Little Benjamin is the story of a golden family. The golden family is extremely delighted with the arrival of a cute little baby in their house. The golden mother and father had 5 children. Adam, Lemuel, Joseph were brothers, and Mary, Ruth were sisters. Children, take page number 6. Let's read the chapter. I think Kitty wants to come in, said Mother Carlton. I hear him crying somewhere. Won't you go and let him in, Adam? Adam laid down his book and went out. The whole family looked up cheerful, expecting to see Aladdin, their pet cat. There was a pause, and then Adam came back with a white, scared face. He looked at his father without speaking. Children, the chapter begins when the Golden family heard someone crying somewhere. They were expecting to see their pet cat Aladdin. Adam was asked to go at the doorstep. So he went out, and when he reached at the doorstep, he was scared. What is the matter, my son? Asked Father Golden. The cat is not there, said Adam. It's a basket, Father. A long basket with something white inside and it's crying. So Adam saw something white that was crying inside the long basket. So he came back and informed everyone what he saw inside the basket. Oh my God, said Mother Golden, and she was out of the door in a flash. The children also ran towards the door, but were met by Mother Golden returning. In her arms was a long basket, in which was indeed something white and fluffy that cried. So after hearing this, Mother Golden ran quickly towards the door and found the baby in the basket. A baby, exclaimed Father Golden. Mother Golden lifted the child out. The baby stopped crying and looked up at her face. So children, here we can see that when the Mother Golden saw the baby, that Mother Golden lifted the child from the basket. At that time, the Golden family was surprised to see the baby. My heart, said Mother Golden. Come here, children. The girls bent forward eagerly. Looked at its little hands, murmured Mary. They are like pink shells, only soft. Oh, sit most them, Ruth. She caught her sister's arm in a sudden moment of delight. Mother Golden was examining the baby's clothes. Here is a note. She opened a folded paper and read a few words written in a rough hand. His mother is dead and his father is a waster. The question is, said Father Golden, what shall we do with him? There are places like orphanages around. You have already got 5 children to take care of. So children, here Mother Golden checked the baby's clothes. When she checked the baby's clothes, she found a folded paper on which it was written that his mother was dead and father was a waster. Waster means his father was not good at anything. So Father Golden asked everybody if they got to send the baby to an orphanage because Mother Golden already had 5 children to take care of. So, children, do you think the Golden family will send the baby to an orphanage? Oh, we could help, cried Mary. I could wash and dress him. I know I could, and I would just love to. So could I, said 12-year-old Ruth. We would take turns, Mary and I. Do let's keep him, Mother. In 5 minutes, Mother Galton was feeding the child some warm milk with a spoon. The boys were now close at her knee and watched the process with eager eyes. See him grab the spoon, said Joseph. Why is not he strong? Can he talk, Mother? Joseph, you chucklehead, said Adam, who was 16 and knew most things. How can he talk when he has not got any teeth?
So, children, how is the story? Is it good? Yes, it's a very nice story. So here, the Golden family was very happy to see the child. Here Mary cried and said she was ready to take care of the child. And she was also ready to wash and dress him. 12 years Ruth also ready to accompany Mary. Then what Mother Golden was doing? Yes, Mother Golden was feeding the baby some warm milk with a spoon. What about boys? Boys were very eager to see or eager to know how was the boy. Okay, children, tell me, do you think the Golden family sent the baby to an orphanage? You just think. We will continue that in next class. Okay. Okay, children. Before we wind up the section, you have to learn some new words from this chapter. Are you ready for that? Okay. The first word is in a flash. In a flash means move fast and quickly. Next word, fluffy. Fluffy means soft and light to touch like baby child. Eager. Eager means with interest and excitement. Murmured. Murmured means saying something in a low voice. Examining. Examining means looking something closely. Okay, these are the new words from this chapter. Okay, children, we will meet in our next class. Okay, see you.